Hey, what's up? It's Jason. Just coming back for another little bit on the Keggle Build. So today I decided to install a still element that I picked up from Brewhaus. It's just a 1500 watt element. I want to see what I can do with just a single. So this is a combination leak test, and just to see what this will do, I'll show you how I got it set up here. Check this out. Alright, well here's the keg again. So here I got that 1/2 inch stainless steel ball valve, and we're looking at just about 50 degrees right here. This is my cold water, and my sight glass I got filled to 8 gallons right now. I want to just test it out, see what it takes. And right here's my new addition. This is the still heater. It's a 1500 watt cartridge style heater that I've got plugged into a little controller, so I could go low, medium, high, kind of see if I can get my heat just right, or I can go full on, but we're just going to go full on and see what it takes to get to a boil, if possible. And then inside, there we go, there's the still heater in there, and you can see the rest of it. I don't have a pickup tube yet, that's coming up next though. So anyways, let's see what it does. Alright, we're at 50 degrees, and I'm going to start my timer, and we will be back to see what we're at. Back for a little quick check-in here. It's been about 15 minutes, and we started out at 50 degrees, and we are now at about 76 degrees. Not bad. We'll keep updating this and see how she goes. Alright, back again with another little update. It's been just about 30 minutes now. We started out at 50 degrees, and we are just about 99, almost 100 degrees. So half an hour we've doubled the temperature, so not bad. One other thing I've got is I just got this lid that I had off another pot that I stuck over the top to try to retain some heat. But I am going to, after I get done with this test, wrap this thing with some Reflectix, and I think that ought to get my heat up a little bit quicker and be able to maintain it. So we'll report back on that when that happens, but meanwhile we're doing it without, just as you see it. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, just another update here. It's been now 45 minutes. Remember, we started at 50. And let's see where we are at right now. 45 minutes later, our last reading at a half an hour, we were looking at what? Just under 100, or about 100. Now we're just over 120, 122. Not bad. So we jumped another 22 degrees. Let's see where we're going to go. Alright. Come back. I know this is getting annoying updating you, but hey, I want to see what this does. Stay tuned. Okay, another update. Here we go, and it's been an hour and 15 minutes now. We started out at 50 degrees, and we are at 164 right now. Not bad. That should be able to get my mashing temperature at least good, so we're good on that. But I'm going off cam, and I'm going to see if I can get this to a boil, just to see if I can. Alright. Peace out. Alright, we are back, and this is going to be about, we're looking at 2.5 hours from 50 degrees, and I have achieved a boil. 212 degrees right there. It took I did throw a little bit of wrap on there towards the end because it was kind of stuck about 208, 210 just on its own. I just threw this little Reflectix wrap around it just loosely, and I got it right up to temp. So I think what we're going to do is the next step is I'm going to, after this cools down, is I'm going to actually apply that wrap to the kettle, and I think we'll be good to go. So anyways, hope you enjoyed, and if you need to know anything else, go ahead and write down in the comments any of your questions on the build, and I'll explain, tell you where I got parts and all that good stuff. Everything I bought here, I'm not endorsed by anyone. I went out and shopped and found all this stuff myself. So any questions, I've done a lot of research, let me know. Alright, peace out, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications for my next updates. Alright, peace.